Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, your go-to destination for everything new, bold, and game-changing in the automotive world. Today we've got something absolutely wild to talk about, a vehicle that nobody really expected but now has everyone buzzing. It's the Volkswagen Beetle Pickup Truck 2026, a jaw-dropping reinvention of one of the most iconic cars ever built. The Beetle has been many things over the years, a symbol of freedom, a cultural icon, and one of the best-selling cars of all time. But now Volkswagen has taken that legendary charm and reimagined it into a completely new form, combining nostalgia with utility in a way that feels both futuristic and retro at the same time. The design of the Beetle Pickup 2026 is what first captures your attention. It maintains the rounded, playful silhouette that fans instantly recognize, yet adds a rugged pickup bed in the rear, giving it a muscular stance. Volkswagen has raised the ride height, flared the wheel arches, and added tougher elements like reinforced bumpers and skid plates. It looks like a Beetle, but it also looks ready to tackle work and adventure. The blend of quirky charm with tough utility is unlike anything we've seen before, and that's what makes it stand out. This isn't just a nostalgic throwback, it's a bold step into redefining what a compact pickup can be. Now let's talk about performance. Volkswagen didn't just slap a pickup bed on a Beetle shell and call it a day. The 2026 Beetle pickup is offered in both all-electric and hybrid variants. The EV model delivers instant torque, impressive acceleration, and a range that competes with other modern electric trucks. It also features dual-motor all-wheel drive, making it capable on more than just smooth city streets. It's designed to handle weekend adventures, light off-roading, and towing small loads with surprising ease. The hybrid option is for those who want the best of both worlds, the reliability of a combustion engine paired with the efficiency of electric assistance. Volkswagen has really thought about versatility here, giving drivers choices that fit different lifestyles. Step inside, and the cabin is where Volkswagen's genius truly shines. It's a mix of retro flair and futuristic tech. You'll notice circular digital dials that pay homage to the original Beetle's classic gauges but are now fully customizable screens. There's a massive infotainment display in the center console with the latest connectivity options, voice commands, and seamless smartphone integration. The seats are designed with comfort in mind, featuring sustainable materials and bold two-tone patterns that echo the Beetle's colorful past. Despite its quirky design, the pickup offers a surprisingly roomy interior with space for passengers and storage, making it practical without losing character. What's most exciting about the Beetle Pickup Truck 2026 is what it represents. Trucks have traditionally been about toughness, work, and ruggedness. The Beetle Pickup adds personality and fun to that formula. It's not just a tool for hauling, it's a statement piece. You can imagine it pulling up to the beach with surfboards in the back, carrying camping gear into the mountains, or just turning heads downtown. Volkswagen has essentially created a lifestyle vehicle that bridges work and play while keeping that unmistakable Beetle DNA alive. This unexpected move has sparked massive conversation in the automotive world. When Volkswagen discontinued the Beetle a few years ago, many thought it was the end of the road for the iconic nameplate. But the 2026 Beetle pickup proves that legends can evolve and come back in ways nobody anticipated. It's a bold gamble, but one that might just pay off big time. So, what do you think about the Volkswagen Beetle Pickup Truck 2026? Is this a brilliant reinvention of an icon, or is it too radical a departure from tradition? One thing's certain, it has grabbed the spotlight and shown us that the future of cars can still surprise us. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more unique automotive innovations, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Car Trend for all the latest car reviews, news, and deep dives into the most exciting vehicles of tomorrow.